Yo, what's up guys, Miner here, and today I'm going to be covering around how I did all the plays in a Minecraft Manhunt 2 Hunters rematch guys with FT, Falsky Bucket and Run to the Plays guys. This is the analytics and I'm going to be telling you guys how I did some stuff, so you may be pretty confused with another thing, right? So this one over here should be somewhere. Come on. And by the way, something also I have to cover around is the players. Okay, the hunters were using buffs, but I was not using buffs. So that's something which I have to cover. The internet is going to take forever, but alright, that's totally fine. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, they were using buffs. But guys, this is the part which I wanted to be. So guys, one thing you may observe, there's a portal on this side, right? Let me put it full screen, you guys can see. There's a portal over here, which Ranjit came from the mine because he didn't want to come up, and he made another portal. It actually opened up another portal, which they broke. Okay, they did a good job breaking it. But I broke this portal and placed the obsidian in that portal and went from that portal to the overworld. And the trap was they put obsidian all around and they put lava. If I went through it, I would have died. There was no escape for me. So I knew that they would do that, so I had to think about something. So I thought I not see this portal first. Okay, like that only when I was killing endermans, I thought, what if I break this portal and make a portal somewhere far away or something like that. But again, if that leaks, if it linked to the portal which there was a trap in, that would be a problem. So yeah, that is something. So I thought, let me just make a portal, let me just complete this portal, light it up. I had a flint and steel and I went to the overworld. And another thing which a lot of people were confused with, of why I was trying to get emeralds and why I was trying to get arrow and a bow, which was a lot of people were confused, and that was cause I needed to beat the ender dragon by shooting it, by like firing arrows and killing it like that, cause I could not use a bed strat. I was doing the insta killing dragon strat, which needed a bow and a lot of arrows, at least 2 stacks of arrows. And I thought, what if I make a Fletcher villager? He will give me so many arrows and he will even give me a bow for 2 emeralds. So I got a bow and I got some arrows and I had 5 eyes of ender. How did I go to the end? They had lit up the portal. Okay, they had obsidian trapped it. I had to break it, and that clip was not recorded for some freaking reason. I was so dang mad. I even placed TNT so that their trap, what they had, totally got destroyed, which was like end crystals. When I placed TNT, of course, if I place TNT, even the end crystals will blow up, and it blew up. So I went into the end. There was nothing to see for me over there, and Falsky was in the middle of the end island. He was not there near the where the player first spawns when he enters the end from the end portal. He was not over there. So I thought, what if I legit absolutely just come and I build up all the way to 146 Y right over here, guys. Look at this, guys. I built all the way to 146 Y. He came to know that I'm trying to insta kill the dragon Falk. He's a genie, so he came to know. And then guys, I needed to go to 0-0 after going to 146 and placed obsidian and placed water. These guys were so big brain. They had so many crystals. And they tried to heal the dragon, which they almost got killed. When they were trying to heal the dragon, they almost got killed, because I shot the end crystal, by which Falky took some damage, so he was scared to come. Then they could not do anything, so I had to build up a little bit more, and for them it was very risky to build up, so they were just down. And I was seeing, if they try to come, I would bow them. and then the dragon was so dang low, and I killed the dragon, guys. Victory royale. So that is something. And even this portal which I was making, they were legit so OP. Ranjit especially knew a super good way of getting like diamonds like super fast, which I still don't know how he did that, but yeah, but it didn't even matter. I got all that stuff afterwards. I killed them and got all the stuff. I mean I was dang low when I was fighting Falk. I was dang low. Over here, guys, 1 minute, wait, let me find the clip. I think it was somewhere over here. Oh yeah, this is somewhere. Yeah, this is somewhere I was fighting. Oh yeah. Lord.
My God, Ranjit, he's literally here. Run.
Oh yeah, here.
Okay, full stacked up.
You don't need to do that, man. That will be kinda, Please, Lord. Oh yeah. Hulk.
It's lagging a little bit.
Okay, yeah. Over here, guys. So you see this guy? I came to know he's coming. I was very low. I was like some 4 hearts or 5 hearts low. So what I did was I tried to eat, and I saw him coming, right? He knew I was over here. I was at this spot over here. So I tried to come. What I did was I first ate. I had like 2 hunger tips. I ate quickly. I took out my axe, pulled it, and crit him. So that did a lot of damage to him. Whatever diamond armor you have, guys, if you crit someone with a diamond axe, they're done for. They're legit done for. So I did that, and
Please don't die, Falk.
look at that. Okay, it was iron axe that time, and he also did a lot of damage. He crit me, I crit him. He did a lot of damage, but he did not come to know that he actually crit me. If he came to know that, he would probably kill me.
Wanna try to
No. But I juked him. He tried to come and try to hit me back, so I legit juked him. I went right side while he legit aimed, straight and tried to hit me.
No.
This magma cube was annoying. There is Ranjit. This was crazy. Ranjit was over there. He was totally lost. He saw me.
So close to die.
I was full health. I was like only 2 hearts low. Come here, Ran. Bam! I blocked the shield. I crit him. He has only a diamond chest plate and a diamond axe, which he does not even crit me correctly. He only does like 2 hearts of damage. Ran! Give me that diamond. And I hit him again. And then
Ranjit, run away, Ranjit.
He does a pretty good thing of like blocking me, which actually worked out a lot. But
That's what I'm fucking doing.
okay, that was not good. I'm
my
gonna
God.
ban Ran again if he does that. He took 2. I hit him 2 times that time.
I'm stupid drag clicking on him.
Drag clicking is not gonna work, Ran.
Don't die.
Boom, he's dead. Now I got the axe. I even got the diamond chest plate, and I did not have a helmet, which I get from Falk because I go to kill him, okay, so that I can get more loot. I kill him. I get the leggings which Falk had, and I also get the iron, helmet which I wanted. So I was pretty dang OP, and I was not even scared to, tackle the mobs in the nether anymore, because I was so dang looted up. And I get like blaze rods, and a lot of people were confused over here what happened. I actually went back. My mouse was pretty freeze and stuff like that. Then it came back, and I started eating. But what my mouse had done is that it stopped recording freaking thing, and then I ate back. I regen. I had to like start recording again. So something that happened, and I killed endermans, which was a very bad strat, I could say. And yeah, pretty much all of this is just like nether. Like I think until Oh wow, that's a lot of time. 37 or 36. I was not out of the nether. Till that time I was not out of the nether. Then I finally decided to come out.
I know.
Yeah, so here he gets killed. I have so many stuff of their like other like stone axes and one more pickaxe. So many good, so many loot, and I don't know what this enchanting book was.
No! Got 3 diamonds. It runs it.
Okay, this one I wanted to pause because look at that, guys. I get the diamond achievement, 3 diamonds. If I did not get that 3 diamonds, I was trapped in the nether. I had no way to go back, and I would probably not even win this run. Right? You're wrong. I got 3 diamonds. I had sufficient to make a diamond pickaxe, and only when you mine obsidian with a diamond pickaxe it drops, right? And I did that. So that is why I could get obsidian, or else if I went to the trap portal I would be dead. I had no way to go out. I would be trapped and I would be dead, right? But I got diamonds, so I mined the obsidian with the diamond pickaxe. 3 diamonds is exactly what I needed. I got a lot of wood too, which I was slacking on. I was lacking a lot of wood, so I got a lot of wood. I got a lot of food which they had, I think, which is I don't know. They had a lot of food. I think Fall got like Ryan got all the food because he went for a whole food hunting spree. If I'm not sure. So he got a lot of food from that, and he was in the overworld. They were in the overworld first, then they came into the nether to fight me and stuff like that. So over here all of them. And guys, another thing, the acacia village was a total trash. I was so angry. For none of the villagers were becoming a Fletcher, so then I had no choice but to do something, right? So what I did was, actually they told there is a village at the stronghold. They gave me a superb clue. They told it's an abandoned village, but it's not an abandoned village. They were so wrong. I thought it would be an abandoned village. I prayed for God that it should not be an abandoned village. It was not an abandoned village, and that was the best thing. And I got all the the dirt. I needed the dirt for like a lot of blocks because I needed to build all the way up to 146Y, guys, which is very, very high. So I had to go all the way up there. So yeah, basically that's why I grabbed the blocks and stuff like that. I did not find a bastion, which I was hoping to find a bastion, but I did not go to like explore and stuff like that to find one. This was pretty crazy. This end dragon fight was the most craziest end dragon fight of my life. Like seriously, that was crazy. So that is all for the analytics for this manhunt video. Hope you guys all like this manhunt 2 hunters rematch analytics video. I have not done this for the previous one, which I will probably do that. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye. Miners out.